expenditure, of course, I don't have the breakup with me right now, but I'll be very happy to maybe come out with a separate press release giving you the exact details so that the clarity is there. So you can just make a note of that. You can tell finance to just prepare the details. So yes, the expenditure has crossed, of course, 400 crores, which you mentioned. But we are seeing that this time around the expenditures may not be as high as what we had last time. The reason for that is that last time things were very chaotic, and there was no time to really decide or think whether it's the right or the wrong thing. We had to pay for people coming back. We had to pay for the people to stay. We had to pay for the doctors and the other people in the hospitals to stay in the hotels. We had to give money for laborers. We had to pay for different kind of entrepreneurship programs. So we really, that point in time, the whole country, in fact, faced with a unforeseen kind of a situation. And that led us to really making sure that we don't leave any stone unturned. Now, this year, seeing the experience of what we went through last year, I'm not saying it gives us a kind of a blueprint on what to do, not to do, but at least it gives us some kind of an idea of where we could manage things better, where we could, reduce our cost. Does that mean that we'll compromise on the health of the people? Absolutely not. That's the reason why when we were put up the question of spending money for the vaccination, we said immediately, no question asked, 100 crores we will spend to get the vaccination. It is absolutely worth it. When it came to setting up the infrastructure, we said that no question asked, immediately go ahead and create the infrastructures. So we are in a better position to at least decide on where to spend in a much more better manner and where we could minimize our expenditure. I'm not saying cut cost is not the correct word, but minimize the expenditure and how to balance. Now, talking about resources, most of the resources are coming out from our own resource, from the taxes that we are getting from the central government, which is the devolution of the taxes that we have and our own taxes which we have. So with that, we are managing the situation right now. And but we need to see how the next few months go at a global and national level, how the economy is impacted. And based on that, we'll come to know how the overall situation of the state will be in terms of finances. So right now, we're managing with the resources that we have of our own.